this is Barbara D with Guaranty RV. Thanks for joining me today. I want to show you this Coachmen Apex. It is a 208 bunkhouse with a little slide on it. What an awesome trailer. It's lightweight. There's a room for a family in there, lots of walk around. I really like this gel coat cap. This really deflects the weather off of the rig, keeps it in shape. You got some LED lighting here, a nice tinted window. It's called a Nano because it's an ultralight. So you've got your propane and your hitch accessories here. This unit only weighs, let's see, 4,000 pounds. So that's a lot of different type of vehicles that will be able to haul that without having any problem at all. I'm gonna come over here. Got some diamond plate in the front. This cool cap. It's ready for solar. So you can get a solar panel and set out on the ground. You got these magnetic hinges, and look how nice and bright and light that is. That's a pass-through storage that'll take a lot of stuff, even an extra table or something like that. I love these. Coachmen's been in business for a long time, 50 years. They've been building RVs. So this is a 208 bunkhouse. I want a double axle. You want a double axle just for the safety of if you ever lose a tire or something like that, you want to make sure that you stay on the road. It's got a little mini outside kitchen and a 20-foot trailer. You never see that. So it's got this little Coleman cooler. It's got a GFI in here, so if you want to make some margaritas, you can. A nice little refrigerator. Like I said, all in just 20 feet. 20 feet, you guys, that's hardly, that's like this big in RV world. It's got a spare tire. Some neat stuff. I mean, it's a 30 amp service. Here's all of your equipment for flushing the holding tanks and cleaning those out. It's got this outside shower for washing out a cooler, maybe the sand off your feet, the dog. A holding tank flushing system. Really nice slide mechanism. This is a Schwinn-Tech mechanism and it is tried and true. People absolutely love it. If you read the reports on it, you'll find that it's a very reliable mechanism. These are sliding glass windows so you can open them up. And now I'm going to show you the inside of it because it really will, you can have a family of 4 or 5 stay in this travel trailer with no problem. It's got a little grab handle here and a couple of steps, so come on in. I'm just going to let the cameraman pan this particular unit. You've got a beautiful dinette with storage underneath. You've got double bunks that are up to 200 pounds in the back. A nice large refrigerator. In that bunkhouse, you're going to find some accessories like a plug-in and a light and a few other things like that. A window that opens down here. A large refrigerator, you know, storage up here for the cereal boxes or the pop or the potato chips or whatever, what have you. Couple burner stove, nice little microwave, shelving in the cabinet so you don't have to worry about fiddling around and trying to wonder where you're going to put your pots and pans. Even a cool little pull-out drawer. I thought that was a neat little accessory. Easy to reach, big cabinets, under the counter speakers, all kinds of really cool stuff in here. Also, I want to point out that I've started doing this, and that is that you can use this area back here for storage. I don't have it up completely, but you could actually put a couple of kids' bicycles in there, you know, or an extra cooler or something like that. Good pantry space, lots of shelving in that. So remember, we're only in 20 feet. 20 feet isn't very long, and it's got a great bathroom. I'm going to have the cameraman just take a look at that. You've got a nice tub shower. The sink is in here, a nice vanity. Everything all in one, super easy. It's got a GFI outlet so the kids can use the curling irons or the blow dryers or whatever, what have you. This will make down into a bed. So we're in a Coachmen Apex Nano. That's a 208 bunkhouse. It's got a great price point on it. You're looking at a payment well within most people's budgets, and it has it all. A quality product for a reasonable price. Please come on out and take a look at it. Give me a call, ask me some questions. My name is Barbara D. I'm here at Guaranty. My phone number is 541-521-4232. This is the way to go if you want a lightweight trailer with a lot and a little. Thank you.